Today I would like to share one of the best hot selling items for World Cup item fabric. You see this one for the World Cup, and this one is also for the World Cup for different patterns. And people they buy the all white colors, and when they buy these white colors, they will do the sublimation print in their own country, like for Turkey. We are working for Turkey, for other South America brand. They buy for this kind of two fabrics. It is 100% polyester, fabric weight around 180 GSM. And we can follow your designs. If you don't like this one, we can follow yours, and you can send your designs, and then we weave the fabric and to make a design for you before processing the bulk. So if you got any inquiries for this World Cup fabrics, please send your inquiries at any time.